Chicago, nigga.
YouTube, out my comfort zone. We're at a different yard. It's snowing and everything. Shit had to come here. You know, Team Schaefer don't mind. And the name of their junkyard is Schaefer, so this must be meant to be. So let me go and try to find what I'm looking for. I'll catch y'all back on. Give up, but I found my console. Found it. Gotta go get a pry bar out the car. This will be the last fucking row all the way in the fucking back. Yep. So, catch y'all back on and get that motherfucker out. YouTube, alright. I had to go back and get the bottom part of the dash because the one I got is different. Even though I just changed it, I know which one this one is for, but I had to get the dash, the other part of the dash. That's the old console. But the other part right there. Alright, YouTube. Cut this down. I got the Denali console up in here. Got that here, just marking it up for now. Marking it up. But the information center, it ain't gonna fit right there. So I'm gonna modify it and put it up there. Yeah, put this down there. See, it's flush with the dash, flush with the dash. I gotta do some more painting. I just rushed and put these on there. What else we got? My suede cane. Suede cane today. But yeah, it's in there, man. Exactly how it's supposed to be. Oh, this word. Can't close that. Had to go back to the junkyard, a different junkyard, get this button. Because the button was messed up. But, yeah, got it in here.